How are you? Good. I am all time great. So today, as you all are know, we play the GD game, and GD game topic is the money. And as I'm from the International Institute, so that is a very amazing topic because we all are need to money. That is a very plus point for. And without delay, let's start the class.
So money. So I think money is a very much important thing in today's era. Why? Because I heard many people saying that money doesn't matter, money doesn't responsible for your happiness. But they are those people who actually don't have any kind of money. So if you have money, you have confidence, you have value. People will value. People will come to you and say that whatever the thing you are saying is good.
Yeah, sir, you spoke well because I agree with your all points. Because money is very powerful and needful thing in our life nowadays. Because we can't survive without money. Because we need those things which we can purchase by the money. So that's why money is very important. And
yeah,
so
sir, you spoke well. But I want to include add some more point about the money. Yeah, money is everything. You can see because if a person having a money, so he can do each and everything whatever he want to do. He can fulfill his or her family desires. It is very well. By the money, it is very useful. And about the money, in the money, if you will do the investment kind of thing, so you can get in returns as well.
Much good. And money is most of the good thing, because with the help of money we can purchase lot of things. We can purchase bungalow, we can purchase car, there are a lot of things we can purchase. And with the help of money we got some knowledge, we got some there are a lot of things we got. And with money is, with the help of money we need and we can fulfill our desires.
Yes, I agree with your point, whatever you said. But nowadays what is important, if you are having a good life, so money is more important than the food. If you are having money, then only we can fulfill our desire. Like these days many of the people don't have money, they are not living their good life. But the important is that how we can save money, how we can earn money. If you are doing good work, apart from that, if you are you know how to save money, so definitely you can live your life with a very well manner.
Okay, so ma'am, you are right, but money is a very important thing in our life. But I think because of the money, people forget the humanity, because everyone is running behind the money. So that's the point.
Yeah, really, whatever you mention about the money, so it is really nice. As well as in my about my team, I just want to add some of the more points about the money. Somewhere the money is really good, but what happened right now with the person is having a money, so at that time automatically the attitude as well as the ego automatically it comes to the person. As well as somewhere it is not good, because if we are having a money, so if we are able to give some of the money to everyone, so at that time we should give some things to
yes sir, I agree with your point. If person have a money, so attitude, ego will always automatically comes, but it is wrong. It is a very very wrong. If you show off your money, so it is not a good. If you are showing show off your money attitude, so it hurts someone.
Yes sir,
I
agree.
Please just give me a minute. On the other hand, I felt there was a middle class family. They have a money, but they just store the money.
Okay sir, we know about it, what is the money and what is the important of the money. But according to me, in this time money is like a oxygen. Without oxygen we can't survive. But in this time also, if we don't have money, so we can't survive. Because if you want to go outside our a home, so at that time you have to need money, because without money you can't go anywhere, you can't purchase. This is important of the money, and this is the value of the money.
Yes, so, ma'am, as whatever you mentioned all about, it's very good and fantastic. Also, I appreciate that point. And right now, whenever we become a rich person, so we are forgetted or forgetted our manners, etiquette. We are treatful attitude manners. So without better mention that, we can forget that, and we are rich person with a good person also. Because good person is a very fantastic thing right now. That is my genuine.
Yes, really, whatever you mentioned, it is good. But what happened right now? What is happening? The people are only running behind the money. They are not focusing about their relation, about their family member. So we have to understand about their family member, because if we are maintaining our family, so at that time money is not everything. Money is important, but not everything. We have to maintain our family, as well as if we are maintaining our time, so at that time it is really nice.
I agree with your point. As you said, money is not everything, but everything needs money, sir. Have you ever heard about Warren Buffett? The ones he said, money is not everything. If you want to say this line, so you have to earn a lots of money. If Ambani say money is not everything, it can run. But if I say money is not everything, you will not believe on me. So this is the difference. And why
Yes,
most
sir,
of
I
the people
seriously accept your point, whatever you say. Yeah, money is not everything. Like if you are having trillion and billion and your health is not good, so what is the worth of it? If you are having the good health and the money, so that is worth of it. There is something is good. And as somebody says that money is everything, that is not good, because those people who are not having the money and they are not able to complete
You
their
all are
desire.
spoke good, and I'm supporting from your points. It's very good, and the money is very important thing, because money like now era we have a digital India, and with the help of credit card, with the help of there are a lot of things we can purchase, lot of things, and if we can forget our money in our home, so we can
Yeah, you're right there, but I want to say one thing, that I don't know whether money is good or bad, but I know one thing, that money is very much needed in this time. Everybody needs it, and everybody doesn't have it. Who have it, they value it, and those who don't have it, they just give an excuse that yeah, money doesn't matter, money is that thing. So I think these things are going on. Those who are having money, they are enjoying their life in a much better way than other people, and those who don't have money, they are not enjoying, so they're just giving the excuses.
So, sir, you are right. But if we have money, so we can donate our money also. Take an example. Ratan Tata is the richest person in Asia. So he donate his money, and So that's
Yeah,
it.
ma'am, you are right here, but I want to add some more point, because I want to add some negative point of the money. As you can see, because of the money, sometimes we will too much problems. As you can see, there are many people who lost their life because of the money, and somewhere we get the aloneness kind of thing because of the money. Because if you're having the money, so you will feel too much very indifferent kind of feelings you get because of the money. Money create that kind of the apologizing kind of situations, and in the money, by the money you can't purchase someone's life. That kind of the merits of the money as
Yes,
well.
sir, I agree with your point, but somewhere people didn't understand. Understand what is money. Somewhere when we go in the school, there was a fee charge is too much high, but they just provide us a good facilities and the AC, good desk and the blackboard, but they don't teach. On the other hand, but I want to add my one more point. People have a money, but they didn't invest
Yes,
their money
sir,
just because of the
I accepted
fear.
point of view.
We lost our money.
I accepted and I agree with you, because if we are talking about the money, so we know about it. What money? If I talk about I have too much money, so if I can't purchase happiness, so it's not good for me, because money is good, but many type of the money, what is the money, real money. If I have too much money, so I can donate with the to the needy person. If I can't, so it is not
Yes,
good
ma'am.
money.
Whatever you all over tell about, so that is very I subscribe that point. And yesterday I watched one reel in reel, that is a thing that in that parents tell about, if you give our family daughter, so that person think about which kind of money you have, which kind of power you have, which kind of think about it, because on that time you all about think all for money. That is the power of money. That is very amazing.
I know what is the power of the money, but now it's time to talk about our Bharat, about our country, how money is important. In the last 5 or 6 years, we are on the 5th position in the term of economy, in term of our budget, but now we are going to be a part of a third economy. Our country will going to be but we are on this time, we are on the 4th position, so we can understand that how money is more important.
Yes, ma'am. I think we should find a way how to save our money, because most of the businessmen are just saving their money and hiding their money from the government. That's why they don't pay the tax to government. That's why our poor are getting poor nowadays, and
So
richer
yeah,
are
sir,
getting
you are
richer.
right here about that, about the money. Because of the money, those people don't have the money, they are getting too much problem. Just as you mentioned about the poor peoples, yeah, that's why the poverty is increasing because of the lack of the money, and that's why we are in the 4th rank because of lacking of the money. And by the money you can help someone very easily, because money creates a very different kind of feelings. If you're having a money,
Yes,
so
sir,
can
you
help
all
anyone.
spoke well, and especially Pooja ma'am, I agree with the point. We can't buy happiness with the money, but somewhere it's true and somewhere it's wrong, because if you want want a car and any type of luxury life or bike, so you can buy with the help of money. So on that time you can feel good and you feel happy. But somewhere if you want someone, if you want a someone hurt, if you want a someone
So
feel,
I
so
think
we
that
can't buy
it doesn't
with money. Yes.
necessarily mean that if you have money, then you have to just donate your money. It's just like that you have having a money, you can build an industry that people will work under it. And I think it's a much better way than just giving people money, because if you are giving free money to people, they will just get used to it and they just getting the money.
If we have a money, so we have a power, I think sometime. And like if I like money,
Clap for
some
everyone.